Hey everyone, this is Mike with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, your go-to source for powerful and easy-to-use Excel tools. Today, I'm excited to show you how to use our Google Maps Driving Distance Calculator, an Excel-based tool that lets you calculate driving distances and travel times directly in Excel, without switching back and forth between websites and spreadsheets. If you work in logistics, real estate, sales, or any field where knowing travel distances matters, this tool is going to save you tons of time. Instead of manually searching for each route on Google Maps and entering the numbers into Excel, this tool connects to the Google Maps API and automatically calculates the driving distance and estimated travel time between any two locations you enter. You can use full addresses, zip codes, or even city names. And the best part? It works with addresses worldwide, not just in the U.S. So whether you're working locally or across international borders, this tool has you covered. Whether you're calculating for a single pair of addresses or thousands, the tool can handle bulk data with ease, making it perfect for delivery planning, route tracking, territory management, or even real estate evaluations. Getting started is easy. First, download the tool using the link in the description below. Open the Excel file and paste your Google Maps API key into the Settings tab. If you haven't created one yet, don't worry. We've included a full tutorial that shows you how to set it up in just a few minutes. Once you're ready, enter your origin and destination addresses. Click Calculate, and the tool will instantly return the driving distance in miles and the estimated travel time in minutes. We've been developing Excel tools for over 16 years and have helped more than 7,500 users, from small businesses to large enterprises. With over 130 five-star Google reviews, users love how easy our tools are to use and how much time they save. One user even called it a total game changer. Accurate, simple, and incredibly useful. Another highlighted how great our customer support is. And yes, you can actually call us and talk to a real person. You can also reach us by email or live chat on our website. No bots, no scripts, just real help from real people. And remember, there's no software to install and no coding required. Just download the file, enter your data, and let Excel do the work. So, if you're ready to save time and streamline your distance calculations, download the Google Maps Driving Distance Calculator using the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on our latest Excel tools and automation tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.